we dive into the magical world of animals beginning with the letter M. Get ready to meet marvelous creatures. Meet the majestic moose, a magnificent animal with impressive antlers. Moose are known for their size and strength in the wild. Next up, we have the mischievous monkeys swinging through the trees. Monkeys are playful and clever creatures that love to explore. Moving on, say hello to the mysterious manatee gliding gracefully underwater. These gentle giants are peaceful marine mammals. Marvel at the colorful macaw, a vibrant parrot with a beautiful plumage. Macaws are known for their intelligence and social nature. Moving forward, we encounter the fascinating mantis, a master of camouflage and precision in hunting.